Welcome to My Fusion Technologies. In this session, I'm going to show you how to create questionnaire templates and questionnaires. In our previous session, we have seen how to create questions in question library. So now what we will do, we will create questionnaire template and then we will associate our questions to the questionnaire template and then we will associate our questionnaire template to the questionnaire. Let's quickly go ahead and see how to create questionnaire template. In order to create a questionnaire template, go to setup and minus, first log in as HR specialist and then go to the setup and minus and then select setup as workforce development and then search for task as question. So these are all questionnaire tasks. So just click on questionnaire template to create a questionnaire template. Once you click on questionnaire template, so in order to create questionnaire, just click on create. As soon as you click on create, questionnaire template will be appeared. So if you look at here, yeah, the questionnaire template ID is generated automatically by system. So if you want to give your questionnaire template ID, your custom ID, you can give it here. I'm giving my questionnaire template as one, and then you can give the questionnaire template name here. So I'm giving my questionnaire template name as performance questionnaire template. Then automatically whoever is creating this questionnaire template, the person will become the owner. And then subscriber you have to select as performance 360 because you are going to use this template in performance. So whenever you wanted to allow the participants to give their feedback about worker, then you have to create the questionnaire template and then you have to select performance 360 for the subscriber field. That's important thing. And then you have to make it as an active. So again here the public or private. So if you select privacy as public, then this template can be accessed by all the people. And then if you wanted to write any additional instructions here, you can write it here. So I'm just writing here saying that please answer all these questions in the questionnaires. That's the additional instruction that I'm writing here. And then if you wanted to increase the size, you can increase. Okay. And then click on next. So I have created questionnaire template here. My questionnaire template name is performance questionnaire template. Once you click on next, those the questionnaire template ID and the questionnaire template sections will be shown up here. So this is my questionnaire template ID, and then here, so these are all lookups, and if you wanted to allow participants to edit the sections, by default 2 sections will be generated automatically. If you want to edit them, you can edit them. So I'm creating my first section. So my first section name I'm giving as team's contribution and responsibility. So whatever you want, you can create it here. And then I'm giving description as my content section. My section name I'm giving, first section name I'm giving as team contribution and responsibility. And description I'm giving as this section contains questions which allow participant to express opinion about workers' responsibility and contribution. And then select question order, vertical or random. I have selected it as a vertical. And if you want to make it this section as a mandatory, then you can select it as a mandatory. This way, I mean, this is the one place you can make it as a mandatory, or else you can make it as in the below section also. Once we created a section, then select the section and then click on add. So if you click on add, select questions from the question library to add to the selection. In order to add our questions to the section, so we have to click on add. So just click on add and then select the folder where our questions have been created. this is my folder name, and then search for it. Once you search for the folder, automatically whatever the questions that you have selected, those will be shown up here. And then I'm selecting here question number 1 3 will fall into section 1. So just control and then select it. Click on OK. As soon as you click on OK, these two questions will be selected for the first section now. See, this is my first section. For the under first section, these two questions will be fall. Now I'm going to create my next section. So I'm going to edit this section. So just click on edit. Once you click on edit, it will ask you to give the title and description name. So I'm giving my custom title. My title name is rate performance. So if you want to give any description here, you can write here, or else you can leave it as it is. Just click on OK. Under this, once the section is created, you can add your questions to this section. Now I selected my folder name as MOFT performance questions, and then if you look at here, there are two questions are left. Why? Because first two questions, I mean already we have selected two questions under one section. So just click on control and then select it. So this is where you can select multiple questions at a time. Just control and then select it. Once you're done with this, so two questions will be selected. If you look at first section, for the first section now 1 3 are selected, and the second section 2 4 are selected. And if you want to make these two are mandatory, or if you want to make other two are mandatory, section wise or question wise, you can make it. If you want to make some questions are mandatory, here you can make it. If you want to make section itself mandatory, you can make it here. And then if you look at here, the response type also you can see a radio button. For this, for the fourth question, we mentioned no response. If you look at first section, here plain text and multiple choices. Once you are done with this, just click on next. So yeah, so you can review one more time before you submit your questionnaire template. So yeah, fine. I have created two sections in my questionnaire template. Under each section, I have added two questions, and then I have written some instructions saying that please answer all the questions in this questionnaire. That's what the instruction that I passed in the template. And then click on save and close. So now my questionnaire template is ready. Now what is the next step? The next step is we have to add our questionnaire template to the questionnaires. In order to do the same, what we have to do, we have to search for the task called questionnaires. Once you click on questionnaires, the questionnaire page will be appeared. Just click on create in order to add your questionnaire template ID. My questionnaire template ID I have given MYFT QT1. This is a questionnaire template 1. So just click on OK. Once you click on OK, the questionnaire template will be selected, and then questionnaire ID will be generated. So this questionnaire ID you have to give whatever the questionnaire ID that you want to give. Now I'm giving this questionnaire template ID as Q1. My FT questions 1 or Q1. And then specify the name for this questionnaire template. Performance evaluation. Once you're done this, just click on active. Select the status as active so that this questionnaire will be inactive. And then restrictions here, you can provide the restriction, access restriction. How do you want to restrict it? If you select public, this can be accessed by anyone. And then folder automatically here, if you look at here, folder automatically selected as question library, because we have created questions under question library, and then we have associated those questions to our questionnaire template. And then if you want to give any description here, you can give it, or if you want to leave it, you can leave it. So just click on next. Click on next. As soon as click on next, automatically the questionnaire contents page will be appeared. So here you can see our sections which I have created and at template level. Under each section, what are the questions that we have added? So we have two sections here. Under two section, each section we have added two questions. Fine. And then if you want to specify maximum number of questions per page, that you can specify here. I'm not going to specify it here. And then click on next. Yeah, we can review all the things that we have attached to the questionnaire, and then click on preview before you submit the questionnaire. Once you click on preview, you can see our questionnaire. So this is my questionnaire name, performance evaluation questionnaire, and then this is the instruction that I have passed in the questionnaire template. And then these are two sections that I have created in questionnaire template: team contribution and responsibility. Under each section, I have added two questions. This is first question, Q1 and Q3. So for Q1, describe the worker contribution to the team. And then for Q3, I mentioned select all the tasks that you think this person can assume for the coming year. So yeah, this is how you can out of this you can select whatever the option that you want to select. If you want, you can select all. And then below I have created one more section that is called rate performance. Under the rate performance, I have added two questions. Please rate this worker performance for the past year. And then I have selected as single choice. So out of which we can select only one choice. And then I have added one more question that is called no response. Please add some available proofs which can establish the performance worker. That is the text message that I have passed. And then you can add any questions here. Then click on done. If you want to test it, you can enter the value and then test it and then submit it. So this is how we can create our questionnaires. So let's quickly go ahead and recap what we have done so far. So in my first session, I have created questionnaires. Under question library, I have created questions, and then I have in this session, I have created questionnaire template. While creating questionnaire template, I have associated questions which are defined at a question library, and then I have created sections here. Under each sections, I have added two questions. Once I am ready with the questionnaire template, then I have created questionnaires, and then I have added questionnaire template to the questionnaires. So this is my with the reference of this one, we have created questionnaires. Why do we need to create the questionnaire? Because whenever you wanted to remove certain things or certain questions from the sections, however you want it, you can remove it with the questionnaires. This is completely like guide. From this guide, you can take the reference from this guide, and then you can create your questionnaires as you require. Please note that questionnaires are not mandatory. Whenever you wanted to allow participants to give their feedback about worker, then only we create the questionnaires, and then we will add this questionnaire to the performance document, so that the participants also can go ahead and give the their rating to the worker. Otherwise, if you wanted to go ahead with the worker and line manager rating, then you don't need to create the questionnaires. Hope you understand these three concepts. In case if you have any concern, you are welcome to revert back to me. Thanks for watching. Thank you.